as you're working along, you'll probably get some little shreds of paper in the way. Just pick those out as you go, just to keep your blade from going off track. And just keep making your cuts. The nice thing about having this Omni blade or Omni grid underneath the mat is that when I go off the edge, my blade does not dig into my desk or other surface that I happen to be working on. It does get a little bit harder as you go because you'll see there's only this much room for the blade to dig in. So at some point, I'm going to start hitting this blunt area. So I want to angle my X-Acto blade out a tiny bit. And if you make a couple little goofs, don't worry too much because you can always trim these pages when you're done. Okay, and you'll see I'm getting pretty close.